How to add voice effects to your audio on CapCut app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add some voice effects to your audio on your video on CapCut app. First thing, go to the app. Now this is the home page. Now upload a new project from here or just choose from your drafts. For example, I already have this video right here, so I'm gonna choose it. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click on your audio. For example, this is my audio, and click on it like this, and now click on voice effects. And as you can see on this page, you will find a lot of effects. You have funny effects, sound effects, and retro effects. As you can see, choose any of these and click on the effect. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.